Good morning. I'm here in Yuma, Arizona with our team to evaluate some of our melon trials. At Harris Moran, cantaloupe and honeydew are an important component of our overall seed portfolio. We're excited to share with you some of the highlights of our featured varieties.
Hi, I'm Matt Thielander, and I'm here today in the field with my colleagues Pat Sakamoto and Kyle Ramsey. We would like to share with you today several of our newest melon varieties. They have been performing very well in the desert Southwest.
This is HM.CLAUSE our new early maturing honeydew. It features excellent uniformity, a very smooth shell, small cavity, sizes mostly 5s and 6s in the early plantings. It also has high bricks, early sugar, even in cooler weather. And one of the best features about it is it does not net, even in extreme conditions.
HM.CLAUSE is a fast-maturing ESL for the second early plantings in the desert Southwest. Its good quality, size, and flavor in the February planting window offers deep orange color and a nice contrast. The attractive net, external color, and high flavor profile make HM.CLAUSE a desirable melon for growers and consumers alike.
This is Prime Pack. It's our new early maturing LSL. Features very concentrated set, early maturity, sizes 9s and jumbo 9s. It's a very unique melon. It works in the spring and fall slots. One of the most unique things about it is the combination of early maturity and field holding ability, along with high bricks.
Sweet Spot is our new main season honeydew that offers a really smooth exterior shell. It produces mainly 5s and 6s. The product offers excellent uniformity with a nice concentrated set. This variety has a great package offering a strong and vigorous vine. It is well adapted to the major growing regions from the desert Southwest to the Central Valley of California.
This is Sunpack. It is our main season ESL for the desert Southwest and California Central Valley. It brings together the Western Shipper and LSL characteristics for field holding, shelf life, and quality. It is a full slip ESL melon with attractive net, external color, and a full flavor profile. Sunpack offers a strong vine with excellent disease package.
Thanks for joining us in our melon field today. We're happy to be able to share with you some of our featured varieties. For additional information and to contact us, please visit our website. And again, thanks for joining us.